Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video from Healthy Kitchen 101. I'm Ben Nguyen, and today we'll be looking at some of the kitchen faucets that have just arrived at our test lab. As you can see behind my back, we have up to 11 different models from different brands. For this video, we choose one of the top rated kitchen faucets on Amazon.com, which is this WEWE kitchen faucet model D01CP3, currently priced at $94. It comes in a standard box, nothing too special. There is not much information about the faucet on the box. But on this side, yes, here. On this side, you can see that the faucet comes from China. And on these stickers over here, you can find the model numbers and serial numbers for the product. The QR code is for people with the Amazon shopping app, where you can use it and scan the code, and it will bring you to a web page on Amazon.com where you can rate the product and find more information about it. Yeah, that's about it, and let's open this up and check out the content. Okay, let's open this up. There's a little tape here. Let's remove that. Here we go. There you go. Let's open this from this side. This is a warranty card. Here we go. Installation instructions. A piece of foam. This is a deck plate to cover up the extra holes on your sink. And here's the faucet. Another piece of foam. Let's see. Yeah, this is pretty much standard for a kitchen faucet, for a pull-down kitchen faucet to be exact, where you have the detachable spout and the faucet itself. Here you can find this counterweight. And a collar for the sink base. And yes, that's pretty much it. First, the warranty card. The warranty card is mostly to remind you to activate the warranty on the official website of WEWE Faucet. That way, and only then you will receive the benefit of the warranty card. The installation instruction is straightforward and easy to follow, at least in my opinion. They show you how to use the deck plate and how to use the installation kit with the nut, the washer, and the gasket. The same over here. They will show you how to use the counterweight, which will attach to the main cord of the spout. Hot water and cold water supply. Pretty standard stuff. Here is the counterweight, or the weight. It weighs roughly 12 pounds, and it opens right here. There's the latch here. You can pull that out, and then you can open it. And then the main core will go in between. And that's the counterweight. This is the installation kit, where you can find a washer, a nut, a washer and a gasket, which will go here under the counter, the kitchen counter. Let's move on. And this is the deck plate, which will cover the extra holes on your kitchen sink or your kitchen counter. It is also polished chrome, the same as the faucet. You can see there. This is the foam. Nothing too special. And it feels like metal, which is a good sign. Now the faucet you can see clearly that they are finished. It is finished with a layer of polished chrome. And the pull down spout. You see the cord will go through the body. It's the nozzle, which is not as soft as I have imagined, but it is soft, the nozzle, so you can clean out some of the dust and guts in there. Let's check out the multifunction button. Let's remove this tape right here. Here we go. Okay, a standard multifunction spout with a pause button and a dual mode switch. It doesn't click, as you can hear. It doesn't click. It's more of a position. Yeah, it doesn't click at all. Okay. Ball jointed. See, that's nice. Now the body outside is finished with chrome, but the interior is actually plastic, as you can see quite clearly from this angle. So this is plastic, and this is the chrome layer. The single handle lever with hot on one side and cold on the other side. Open and off. It doesn't feel flimsy. It feels very solid, which is a good sign. See, hot and cold water supply. Typical connection. And down here you can find a QR code. When you scan this code, it will bring you to WEWE Faucet official website, where you can access customer support and such. You can imagine that this plate right here is your kitchen counter. Above the kitchen counter will be the faucet and the deck plate if you have the need to use it. With every hose and water supply going through the deck plate, this is the correct position. Now you go under the counter for the installation kit, which includes a rubber gasket right here. I say a metal washer, and finally the nut. And you twist it in clockwise. You see, I only need my hands. No tools required. As you secure it, you can feel it. Here we go. And then you can see that the spout is not, retractable yet, but wait for it. We have the weight right here. The weight will be responsible for the pulling of the sprayer. This is the water cord of the spout. Here you will put the weight right here. See, just like that. Click it in, and voila, there you have it. Now, because of the chrome finish, the faucet is very susceptible to fingerprints and maybe scratches, but luckily oil prints cleans off fairly easily. One other thing that you may have noticed is the sprayer head. As you can see, there isn't any features keep the sprayer head in place. There isn't any magnet and there aren't any grooves. Only the weight down here is working to keep the sprayer head in place. Now the button of the head, I don't want to say poor quality, but it's not very good either. The pause button for once is very tough. It doesn't feel very natural. And the switch, you can see, doesn't click at all. It's difficult to tell whether it works or not. But we'll see how it actually performs when there's actually water running through the faucet. Now the single handle has a fair amount of weight to it. It's not very light and it's not very heavy either. In short, very good quality is a very good sign for any kind of faucet. As we have touched on before, there's a lot of plastic detail inside the faucet, but that is not a bad thing because thanks to that, the faucet is not very heavy, and that's why installing it is, not much of a chore. You can do it fairly easily. And that's it for today unboxing video of the WEWE kitchen faucet model D01CPW. In the next videos, we'll put the faucet through various tests to see how it performs in practical use. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and maybe subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And as always, I'm Bê Nguyễn. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Healthy Kitchen 101.